Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Tech Knowledge. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make a chat system using Laravel. I'll make it as simple as possible so that everyone will be understanding really clearly and you'll be able to make a chat system using Laravel really easily. So first of all, let's go and create a Laravel project first. So I'll create my Laravel project over here, new volume F. So let's just open a command prompt, and in this command prompt, we are going to say Laravel new. We need to mention our project name. Let's our project name will be Laravel Chat System. Let's press enter. It will get a Laravel project for us. And there you can see our Laravel project is created. And if I close this, and here you can see Laravel Chat System. This is the project we just created. So let's just go inside. And here we are going to open a command prompt cmd and we'll run our project. So for running our project, we'll see over here php artisan serve. Let me just copy this and we'll paste it in our browser over here. So this is the Laravel project we just created. So right now, in order to create a chat system, we are going to use a package. So the package name is Chatify. Chatify. If you just search for Chatify Laravel, you'll see something like this. Chatify introduction. Just go inside and you'll see something like this. And don't worry, I'll give this link in the description. So right now, in order to install Chatify, you need to go to this installation section. Over here you can see installation. Just go over there, and then first of all you can see pusher account and its setting. We'll create this pusher account at the end, so we'll just directly move to the second step. Okay, so require Chatify in your application. So we need to install Chatify in our Laravel project. So we need to copy this command. If you just click over here, it will be automatically copied, or you can just copy it like this, Ctrl C. So right now we need to go to our project directory and open another command prompt. Let's just write over here cmd, and here we're going to paste the command, paste this command. Okay, composer require munafio / chatify. So this is the command. Let's press enter and it will install some required file in our Laravel project for Chatify. And here you can see it's done. So after this command, we need to run this command, psp chatify install. So let me just copy this command, Ctrl C, and I'll just paste the command over here. Let's press enter. And here you can see it is installed. So let me just open my project over here using Sublime Text. You can use Visual Studio, anything you want. So I'll just select my Laravel chat system, this one. And so right now, since we run this command psp chatify install, so if we go to our project, then app, and not app, if we just directly go to config, and inside config, here you can see chatify.php. so you do not have to change anything over here. So after this command, we need to migrate our table. So since we install Chatify in our Laravel project, so if we go to database, then migration, and inside migration you will see a few more table over here. You can see add avatar, active status, dark mode, messenger, create favorites, and create messages. Some table over here which is created by the Chatify. So first of all, let's just go to my env.env folder, and over here you can see our database name is Laravel Chat System. If you want, you can have a different name. I'll just keep this name, Laravel Chat System. Let me just copy it, and let's just create the database over here. So for creating a database, we'll click over here new, then database name, and then click create. So our database is created. Here you can see, but there is no table. So right now we will run this command psp migrate. So let me just copy this and paste it over here and press enter. And here you can see the table is migrated. So right now if we just refresh here, and here you can see a lot of table over here, ch favorite, messages. And if you go to the user table, Here you can see active status, avatar, dark mode, messenger color, everything over here. So after the fourth step, here you can see the fifth step. If your Laravel version is less than 5.4, then you need to follow this step. Otherwise, you don't have to. Our Laravel version is higher than that. That's why we do not have to follow those steps. So right now, since we are making a chat system, so we need to have logged in user. So in order to have logged in user, we need to have registration system. So obviously we need to have login and registration option in this Laravel project, so that on logged in user can chat with another logged in user. So for creating login and registration, we are going to use JStream. So let's just search over here Laravel JStream. I'm just going to copy the command from here. I'll just directly go to installation over here. Then from here, we're going to copy some command for installing JStream. Here you can see composer record Laravel / JStream. Let me just copy this and I'll go to my command prompt over here and I'll paste the command here. Composer record Laravel / JStream. Let's press enter and it will install JStream in our Laravel project. So after this command, we need to run another command which is PHP addition JStream install library. Let me just copy this, then paste it over here. Let's press enter and it will take around 2 minutes to install library. So here you can see library is also installed. After it, let's just go a little down and here you can see npm install, then npm run dev or run build. So let's say over here npm install, it's done, and then we have another command which is npm run build. Let me just copy it and we'll paste it over here. So I hope it's already done. Here you can see npm run build is already done. So right now if we refresh over here, okay, best will not found. We need to run the command php migrate over here. So we'll say over here php artisan migrate. Let's press enter and here you can see migration is done. So let's refresh over here and let me just refresh over here as well. So you can see there is some extra field over here right now. So right now if we just click register, it will take us to the register page. So let's just say over here yamin, let's keep an email yamin@gmail.com. Let's give a password 12345678 and 12345678. Click register and here you can see currently we are a registered user. So right now in order to chat, we already installed Chatify in our project. So over here in the URL, obviously you need to be logged in. So in the URL we will see over here Chatify and if you press enter, here you will see something like this, and from here you can chat with other user. And here you can see no internet access, and the reason is here you can see we did not add pusher in our Laravel project env folder, env file. So right now we need to create a pusher account. So in order to create a pusher account, you can just directly click over here, read more about pusher, or you can just search over here pusher. So I'll just click over here pusher. And don't worry, I'll also give this link in the description. So if you go to this pusher docs, on the right corner, you will see sign in and sign up. So I'll just click over here, sign up. And then you'll see multiple options, sign with Google and sign with GitHub. So I'll just sign with Google. I'll click over here, sign up with Google. And then I'll choose an account from here. I'll choose this account. You can choose any email you want, and then it will redirect you to the dashboard in 5 seconds. And here you can see, so here you can see new app, name your app. You can just give any name you want. Let's say over here Laravel chat system, and then you don't have to change anything over here. Okay, so just directly click over here, create app. and then it will take you over here, and from here you need to go to your app setting. Then in the app setting you need to enable this client event. If you do not enable this client event, you won't be able to send messages using Laravel. So you need to enable this client event, and after this you need to go to this app keys option. Here you can see app keys, and if you go to app keys, here you can see app ID, key, secret, and cluster. So we need to copy this and we need to paste it in our .env file. So we'll go to our project, and in that .env file you will already see something like this pusher app ID. When you are installing Chatify, it will you will see this. Okay, so pusher app ID. So the app ID will be this one. So let me just copy it, Control C, and I'll paste it over here. Then the app key, so let me copy it, then paste it over here. After that we have the app secret. Let's copy the app secret and paste it in the app secret. Then we have cluster empty on, which is already written over here, cluster empty on, and that is enough. So after this you should be able to send message using Chatify. So right now if I just refresh over here, no internet access will be gone. Here you can see connected. So right now if you want to like chat with other people, you can just search their name over here. So you can see over here John, but there is no user named John in our database table. Right, we only have one user called Yamin. So right now what we can do is that let me just open another browser, Microsoft, and let's open it over here, and let's create a user from here. Let's click register, then let's say over here John, then let's say email will be john@gmail.com. Let's give the password 12345678 12345678, and let's click register. So this is the John dashboard, and John is logged in right now. So I'll remove this dashboard and we'll see over here Chatify, Chatify, Chatify. Let's press enter, and here you can see it is written connected. And right now from this browser we can search for Yamin, which was the previous user. If I just click Yamin, and here you can see type a message over here option. So right now we can say hi from John, and here you can say hi from John. And if I go to my Chrome browser, and here if we refresh, okay, let's search for John over here. Here you can see we can see hi from John. And we can also send message to John as well. Let's say hi from Yamin. And if we go to my other browser, here you can see we receive a message hi from Yamin. Okay, let me just close this and close this. Let me just minimize the browser like this, and this one as well. Let's just chat like this. Let me just show you chatting in real time. So hey, I am messaging from Laravel, and if I press enter, here you can see we receive the message over here and it did not reload. And if we start typing anything over here, you can see that over here you will notice that something 3 dot over there. Okay, as you can see over here. So yeah, and we can also send images as well, but there is a problem. Let me just choose the image from here. Let's choose this image, click open, and here we have the send option. If I click send option, here you can see the image is sent, but we cannot actually see the image. If I click the image, here you can see the image is broken. So in order to solve it, we need to go to our .env file, and over here you can see app URL http localhost. So here we'll give a clone and we need to say over here 8000. Let's save it. Why 8000? Because we have 8000 over here. So that's why. So right now, okay, let me just refresh here and here. So here you can see currently we can see the images both sides. So let's send the image from Yamin to John. Let's choose this image, click send, and here you can see we can see the image as well. So this is how we can create a chat system really easily using Laravel. So I hope this tutorial was easy for you and you understand it really clearly. I tried my best to explain it as easily as possible. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will actually really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.